Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to achieve a soft glam eye makeup look. This look is perfect for such an events when you want to look polished without being too bold. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. As you can see, मैंने बेस लगाया हुआ है and I'm just trying to brush up my brows. Now I'm taking my favorite Jaclyne palette. कोई भी ट्रांजिशन शेड जो आपको पसंद हो आप ले सकते हैं. Just dabbing on my lids. To deepen the shade, I will take some more product. Take any darker shade of the same. To create an ombre effect, I am taking the brown shade and I will apply it on my outer lid. Now I am taking the shimmer shade of the same color and just dabbing it on my inner lid. Now, here I'm gonna use a liquid liner for this soft glamorous eye look. You can create with any, but make sure it will come neat and winged. Don't forget to put some kajal on upper lash line as well the lower. I'll complete it up by blending with some black eyeshadow. Don't forget to highlight your brow bone. Last but not the least, apply a good amount of mascara as I'm not using falsies. Here you are good to go. At any point of the video you like it, please subscribe to my channel and keep updating yourself for the trendy makeup looks and easiest steps to achieve that. Thank you.